Kamegalia Cricket Association MCA hakasngin nongkong jong katayo kalayo ban penha perdano ikalumpung ilakai cricket ya kabalatip kum ka inter district cricket tournament Arjar Arpoi Girls under 19 hakabaka kenhun ilakai jong ka West Khasil district kalayo ban khori ka namladu dakabaka layo ban penlimno da arkandairan ya ka West Garo Hills Tura ya kan ikalumpung ya kabaka Megalia Cricket Association kalayo ban penlong hakabaka West Khasil District Cricket Association kalasyem ya kabanta ban pediang la penlong hapo kamadan jong kusnong mogodiang West Khasil District habasaki te jingi lekai ya ke jingi kenting pisa la job ka West Khasil kabala jiru ban tit ningkong hakabaka layo ban kamai hadu shis palai pinyauran nagi arpo obar kat ba laingut ki wicket kila hamno habasyem pa de kabanta ban tit ban hababe ek te thong ka West Garo Hills kalayo tang shis pa praron ban arngut ki wicket kila habno kumta kala penlong ka West Garo Hills ban job da arkandairan shushu akte gasngi ya kanam highest wicket keeper layo ban khorda ka Emi Sakani Warjri na ka West Garo Hills ka balayo shim khandai weekend ya kanam promising player layo ban khorda ka Feni Shanongrum na ka West Garo Hills ya kanam player of the match layo ban khorda ka Dublen Nengnong ka bayo Sanpueron na West Garo Hills ya kanam highest run score layo ban khor daka Sanchisa M Sangma na ka West Garo Hills kabalayo Ars pa sanpunriu run kabalayo ru ban khori kanam player of the series kabalayo hadu Ars pa sanpunriu run bat saw wicket badi kanam best wicket keeper layo ban khor daka Monica Lingdo na East Khasil Hills hakte gesni ba mak milan bersat Emily kanong ston ulolong kumu kongsan hakjin dong lan ru kinong kitkam ka MCA bat kiwe daka bakila samru hi kusnam ba per hakte gesni Barla pensyet pensyangani tegas ni di gijing ruai gijing syat bar kiwe.
You're talking. Very good, very good.
Come on, once again, girl.
Wanted to fight this war without a past, and I wanted it back. But there were so many effects, and another one busted down. Let's be clear, trust no one. You did not break me.
Cricket is one of the famous game in India. I think the government of our state should take special interest for promoting cricket association, cricket game in our state. When I came to know from the official of the cricket association of the district, they don't have even a suitable ground for the cricket association of the district. After this tournament, I will sit with them and discuss with them. We'll find out a suitable ground for the cricket, particularly for the cricket in our district. In fact, last year I discussed with the Chief Minister to allot some scheme from the Northeastern Council regarding for promotion of the football ground in my constituency. I have selected around 13 ground within my constituency for the improvement and construction of sitting gallery of different playground within my constituency. After this tournament, I will sit and discuss with the official of the district cricket association. We'll have to find out a suitable ground for the purpose of the cricket only. Big congratulations for the teams of West Khasil district. I extend my best wishes in the day to come that among them, and one among of you, one day will represent in the state or in the entire India. By under 19 girls in the district cricket tournament 2021, I also declare that the under 19 girl in the district cricket tournament 2021 is closed today.